Welcome to the North Transfer Station in Wallingford. In this video, we'll explain how to navigate and use the facility. You can enter the facility while traveling westbound on North 34th Street. That means you'll be taking a right to enter. Drive through the gates and past the outbound scale houses to enter. There are two buildings on site. If you have recyclables, head to the right of the scale houses, where you can drop off recyclables and many household items for free.
It was very fluid. It wasn't hard by any means. The whole process was pretty streamlined.
If exiting the facility after dropping off recyclables, you can leave by taking a left, stop at the stop sign, and then turn right onto 34th. Or if you have trash, turn right to go through the inbound scale to weigh in. Once you enter, an attendant will help direct you where to go to drop off your trash. When you're done, you'll need to stop on your way out at the outbound scale to be weighed again and pay. After you pay, exit the North Transfer Station by taking a right onto 34th. And remember, if you have recycling, enter the building on the right. And if you have garbage or yard waste, stay in the left lane. Thanks for visiting.